Hey guys, I'm Piyush, and today I'll be teaching you an icebreaker, an energizer exercise which you can do with your team if you are on a Zoom call. So stay tuned and watch this. So let's assume you are on a Zoom call with your remote team and you are, let's say, three people who are on a Zoom call. Now, what you can do, use the annotation feature of Zoom call or any other video app if you are using Microsoft as well. And now on your share white screen, if you are a host, and then draw a quadrant in your sheet like this. And now since there are four people, so there are three people, I will be dividing this quadrant into four. And if there are more, then of course you can divide the quadrant in more pieces as well. Now in the first quadrant is of the host. In the host quadrant, the exercise is you have to use one object in different forms. So in the host size, for example, I am drawing a banana, a simple banana. Yeah. And now in the other quadrants, you should write the name of the people who are joining you. So let's say this is the quadrant for Raman, and this is the quadrant for Tom, and this is the quadrant for David. Now in this quadrant, what you have to do, you have to give one object to all of these. So for example, I give Raman the object phone, and I'm giving Tom an object, let's say umbrella. And to David, I can give an object like lamp. You can choose just any object. Make it more difficult to make it more funny. And now the exercise is that they will get 2 minutes, and in those 2 minutes they have to use this object to make a phone or an umbrella or a lamp. So for example, if I am Raman, then my time starts now and I can make something like this. Let me try. So let me go to the old model of the phone, in which there were some round dials, right? And now what I can do, I can make the banana in the form of the phone handle, and I can wire it here. And similarly, Tom will make something and David will make something. What Tom can make, an umbrella. I think it's a pretty simple one. So the banana can go here, and then it can be an umbrella then. I think it should be like this. And these are all just quick and simple exercises. You don't need to draw too beautifully. And similarly, David can draw a lamp. So use this exercise when you are on a team call, and this will act as an energizer or icebreaker. Yeah. Bye.